Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create server roles on Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the Discord icon down below on the left side corner. After that, tap on the server image at the top of the screen on the left side. Tap on the more icon at the top next to your server name and then click on settings. Scroll down to the user management section at the bottom of the server settings page and click on roles, which is the second option. Tap on create role and after that you should type in the name of the role. Here you have some recommendations or examples below. Then click on create. Here you should select how powerful should this role be. Cosmetic, member, moderator or manager. Click on select. Here you have the list of all of the server members, and now you have the chance to assign this role to some of your members. So tap on the box, and when a checkmark icon appears in the box, it means that you have added the member and assigned the role. When you are done, click on the finish button, and here you will have the name of the roles and the members added to it. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.